Hello and welcome to our video about the 7 low-cost passive income ideas that you may begin adopting to earn extra income flow. Our priority is to assist you in identifying the greatest passive income possibilities that match your hobbies and skills, so you can begin creating wealth and reaching financial flexibility. We recognize that everyone's circumstance is unique, which is why we've offered a variety of solutions to meet a variety of requirements and tastes. Therefore, if you're ready to discover how to produce passive income with minimal cash while making your financial ambitions a reality, sit back, relax, and watch us until the end. Let us begin by discussing the first idea for low-cost passive income: boosting your bank balance. And I know exactly what you're thinking. How can I increase my bank balance while I'm already on a limited budget? It may appear to be a difficult task, but it's not impossible. To start, let's define passive income. Passive income refers to money earned without actively working for it. It might take the form of rental income, investments, or the operation of a business. Cutting your spending is one approach to increasing your financial balance. Examine your monthly budget to identify where you may save money. Can you cancel any subscriptions that you're no longer using? Can you change your phone plan or negotiate a lower rent? Little modifications like these might pile up over time and free up some money in your bank account. Of course, you should also develop a habit of saving a portion of your monthly salary. Even putting down 10% of your income might add up over time. You will have more financial security and the potential to invest in possibilities that might provide passive income if you build up your savings. Now, how does increasing your bank balance assist you in generating passive income? The more money you have in your bank account, the higher the interest rate you may receive. Even when interest rates are near record lows, every little bit helps. You might also think about investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, which can yield a larger return on investment over time. The second possible idea is to launch a personal website. You may believe that building a website is expensive and time-consuming, but it can really be a wise financial investment. You can emphasize your abilities, expertise, and strengths to potential clients and employers by creating a personal website. Having an internet presence, whether you're a freelance writer, graphic designer, or photographer, may increase your visibility and attract new business prospects. So, how can a personal website assist you in earning passive income? After your website's up, you may monetize it in a variety of ways. You might, for example, sell digital things such as ebooks, courses, or templates. You could also charge a monthly subscription for premium materials such as exclusive blog entries or access to a secret community. Affiliate marketing is another way to generate passive income from your website. This entails marketing products or services on your website and receiving a commission for each sale generated by your referral link. Furthermore, you could generate passive money through advertising. Allowing advertising on your website allows you to earn money each and every time someone clicks or watches an ad. This next topic is very close to my heart: monetizing your digital content. The internet has given us so many possibilities to share our talents and hobbies with the rest of the world in this day and age. There are countless ways to express yourself and interact with people online, from blogging to podcasting to posting YouTube videos. But did you know that you may also make money from your digital content? You may develop a source of passive income by monetizing your digital material, which can complement your budget and give you financial independence. And what's more, the finest part, it does not necessitate a significant time or financial investment. You may start making money from your digital material right now with a little amount of study and work. From e-commerce to sponsorships to selling digital items, there are several methods to monetize your digital content. You may develop a consistent revenue stream that allows you to follow your hobbies while still meeting your financial objectives if you discover the proper strategy for you and your audience. Therefore, if you're on a tight budget and seeking for new methods to make money, I recommend you look into digital content monetization. Who knows, you could possibly stumble across a completely new source of money and inspiration. This fourth concept is an exciting opportunity to produce passive income while on a restricted budget: creating and marketing an online course. With the expansion of e-learning, creating and marketing online courses is an increasingly popular way to create passive income. You only need knowledge, a computer, and an internet connection. You may build a course for almost any subject, from cookery to advertising to project management, and sell it to students all around the world online. Promoting your course does not have to be expensive. You may market your course using free social media networks like Instagram and Facebook, or you can build a blog to attract traffic to your website. You can make passive income by creating and marketing an online course, which will continue to grow even when you're not actively advertising it. You will also be able to help folks learn new skills or increase existing knowledge, which is a rewarding experience in and of itself. Hence, why not use this chance to create passive money while sharing your knowledge with others? It's a win-win situation that may help you meet your financial objectives while also doing something you enjoy. The fifth topic is to establish a marketing firm. A marketing firm takes little initial expenditure and may be run from the comfort of your own home. You will also only need a computer, an internet connection, and your abilities. You might begin by giving your services to small firms in your neighborhood before gradually expanding to a larger clientele. The nicest thing about operating a marketing business is that you can choose your own hours. You may work with as many or as few clients as you like, allowing you the freedom to work around other obligations. Additionally, as social media has grown in popularity, so has the need for digital marketing services, and this trend is projected to continue in the future years. This implies that there is a huge opportunity for development and passive income. It is a terrific way to generate money on your own terms with little investment, flexibility, and an increasing need for marketing services. You can definitely create your marketing firm today and gain the rewards of passive revenue. Moving on to the sixth idea. The development of e-commerce has made it easier than ever to set up an online business. One of the most significant benefits of starting an online business is the fact that it can be achieved on a shoestring budget. You do not have to rent a real storefront or pay personnel to get started, and you may start with only a few things. Setting up your business on systems like Shopify and Amazon is simple, and you will be able to get it up and running in no time. Once you've established your business, you may create passive income through selling things around the clock, even while you're asleep or on vacation. You can attract clients from all around the world and improve your sales with the correct marketing methods. Besides that, an online business gives you more control over your earnings. To optimize your earnings, you can modify your prices and products as needed. Also, you can quickly track your sales and costs, making financial management easier. Keep in mind that you can convert your online business into a profitable one with a little imagination and hard effort. Our seventh and last idea is to kickstart a YouTube video blog. To begin with, launching a YouTube channel does not necessitate a large investment, but it does demand consistency and devotion. You can produce an entertaining video blog that will help you grow a devoted audience and generate some money along the way if you take the appropriate strategy. Advertising income is one of the finest methods to monetize your YouTube channel. You can commercialize your content and make money from the advertisements that appear on your videos as your channel develops and your videos acquire more views. Brand sponsorships and collaborations are another option to monetize your YouTube channel. Companies may ask you to endorse their goods or services on your stream as your channel rises in popularity. Establishing a successful YouTube channel involves originality, persistence, and tenacity, but it can be a fun and satisfying method to make passive earnings on a little budget. Even if you are on a tight budget, starting a YouTube channel is a wonderful method to make passive cash flow. You can grow a dedicated audience, monetize your video, and even gain brand collaborations to potentially structure your channel to the next level with a little ingenuity and persistence. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video useful and that these suggestions motivated you to take the next step forward toward financial success. Remember that success does not happen fast, but with effort and determination, you may reach your financial objectives. So go ahead and take the jump. Investigate your choices and do not be scared to think outside the box. Who knows, your next internet enterprise may be the key to achieving financial independence. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next one.